Uno Flip 2009 version, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Give each player an Uno guy and crash pad. Place your crash pad directly in front of you. Place the launcher in the middle of the table. You are allowed to practice launching before the game begins if you want. Whenever you play a card that has the Uno guy on it, you get to flip your Uno guy with the launcher towards any opponent's crash pad. Place the launcher on your own crash pad and place your Uno guy on it. Pull down and release. If the Uno guy lands anywhere on an opponent's crash pad, then give that player one card from your hand. If you miss, then nothing happens. You may play a wild draw 4 in flip mode. If you do, then the next player in turn order does not draw the 4 cards. Instead, launch your Uno guy, and if it lands on another player's crash pad, then that player draws 4 cards. If you miss, then you draw the 4 cards instead. After flipping, no matter the result, play continues in the normal order from you.